A number of test takers, IELTS test takers to be precise, have taken the IELTS test multiple times, but have not been able to achieve the required band score. Why is it so? A number of reasons are responsible for this. And that's why I would like to take you through a number of strategies you can apply to ace your IELTS test. First, one of the easiest modules of the IELTS test, one of the easiest skills of the IELTS test that a number of test takers can easily scoop in high band score is a speaking test. Why is it so? This is because, of course, Nigeria is considered to be an English speaking country. Of course, it is our lingua franca, no doubt, our official language. But why do people still perform poorly when they go for the speaking test of their IELTS exam? Well, look at it this way. Tension is one of the biggest obstacles a lot of people encounter when they go for speaking tests. So that tension comes around and they lack the confidence to even process questions that examiners ask. So examiner would ask a question, and because of tension, the brain does not process it and they tend to be speaking out of context. Have you experienced that? Yeah, I can see someone is saying that. That's true. That's true. Of course, that is 101% true. So what must you do? One, you should build your confidence. When you go for the IELTS speaking test, ensure that you go to the speaking test venue with your confidence 101% below nothing, right? Your confidence must be 101% intact. Now, what will this do for you? Now, when you are confident, trust me, there is no question you cannot respond to. There is no question you cannot attempt. It's not always all about the accuracy of your response. It's not always about the perfect response to questions. It is basically about how confident you are when you speak. It is primarily about your fluency, ability to speak in response to the question. This does not mean you should speak off point. I don't mean you should bala blue or bulaba. You know what that means? Okay,